Covington homeowners love creating warm, inviting spaces that feel open, airy, and full of life. One of the most effective ways to achieve that brighter, more spacious look is by installing bow windows. Known for their elegant curved design and expansive glass surface, bow windows allow more sunlight to pour into your home than standard window styles, instantly transforming the look and feel of any room. Here's how bow windows enhance natural light and brightness in Covington homes and why so many homeowners are choosing them as part of their window upgrades. A wider, curved design that captures more light. Unlike flat windows that sit flush with the wall, bow windows extend outward in a gently curved shape. This unique design creates a broader viewing area, allowing more sunlight to enter your home from multiple angles throughout the day. Bow windows include 4 to 6 panels of glass that work together to capture morning, midday, and afternoon light. Brighten spaces from sunrise to sunset, reduce reliance on artificial lighting, make rooms feel more open and inviting. Because the windows curve outward, they collect and reflect natural light more effectively than standard picture or double-hung windows. Expansive glass panels that maximize sun exposure. Each panel of a bow window is typically larger than those found in traditional windows. This means more glass surface area and more brightness for your Covington home. This expansive glass design helps illuminate dim rooms, highlight interior decor, bring the outdoors visually closer, create a cheerful, uplifting living environment. Even on cloudy days, the additional glass surface allows soft, natural light to filter in, giving your home a warm and welcoming glow. Brightens multiple rooms at once. Bow windows don't just brighten a single spot, they can illuminate entire sections of your home. Their curved shape extends the reach of sunlight deeper into interior spaces. Covington homeowners especially love bow windows for rooms such as living rooms, dining rooms, family rooms, primary bedrooms, home offices. By creating a broader arc of light, bow windows can transform rooms that previously felt small, shadowy, or enclosed. Enhances both morning and afternoon light. Because bow windows let in light from several different angles, they naturally capture sunlight at various points of the day. Even if your window faces east or west, the curved panels still pick up light from different directions. This benefit helps start your mornings with soft, refreshing light, bring warmth into your home during cool afternoons, reduce dark areas caused by the sun's changing position, make lighting throughout the day feel more consistent. This ability to distribute light evenly is one of the biggest reasons Covington homeowners love bow windows. Creates a more spacious and open feel. Natural light has a powerful effect on how large or small a room feels. Bow windows enhance brightness, and in turn, create the illusion of more space. Benefits include rooms appear larger and more open, shadows and dark corners are minimized, homes feel more modern and inviting. The added brightness boosts mood and energy levels. This makes bow windows an excellent choice for cozy rooms, older Covington homes, or any space that needs a visual upgrade. Perfectly frames outdoor views for added ambiance. In addition to brightening interiors, bow windows bring in the beauty of Covington's outdoor scenery. Whether your home faces a tree-lined street, garden, or quiet backyard, the natural light and view work together to improve your home's atmosphere. This scenic, uninterrupted view helps reflect light back into your home, create a sense of harmony between indoors and outdoors, enhance architectural style and curb appeal. The result is a brighter, more visually appealing home environment. A stunning upgrade for brighter Covington homes. Bow windows are more than just beautiful, they're highly functional, delivering exceptional natural light and improving the overall brightness of your Covington home. With their curved design, expansive glass surface, and multi-angle light capture, bow windows instantly elevate any room. If you're looking to transform your space with more sunlight, more openness, and more beauty, bow windows are a smart and stylish upgrade that will brighten your home for years to come.